Hey, Al Williamson, Landlord.com. I am inside one of my short-term rentals. Here it is. Just like this. This particular living room here is smelling like dog. We had a lot of dogs here, maybe three little dogs. Here, let me turn it. So this is, I know this is low light, but I wanted to show you my setup. I have my ozone generator at the very end of the house, and I have it plugged in. I stripped my coverings on my sofa and the pillowcases after I ozoned them for like a half hour. And then in here, I have my fan, which is kind of blowing the ozone throughout the rest of the house. So this fan's blowing it through the rest of the house, getting the ozone all throughout there. And I'm gonna run my air conditioner as well, my recirculating fan, to get it all through there. But it's doing a very effective job. Ozone works really well if it's just the dander smell. It doesn't really work on urine or pet pee. But if you just have dog smell, ozone knocks it right out. I'm gonna run it for another 4 hours using the 4-hour setting and take all the sofa covers and get them washed, and we'll be ready for tomorrow. And it should be smelling good. I'll come back and show you how it turned out. Okay, it's the next day and I put everything back together. Ozoning the sofa covers was a good idea. And here's the machine. I put it up on a table. That's as high as I can get it. You don't want it right on the floor because the gas drops. So you do want it up a little bit to help it penetrate. And it was a good idea to use this fan. I'm now using this fan here to bring in some fresh air from outside. Bringing in some fresh air and clearing the place out, and it looks really good. Smells good. You can't tell there's a dog was here at all. You know, after thinking about it, the smell of the dog went away in about a half-hour treatment when I popped back in here just to kind of see what was going on. So it doesn't take long. If you want to disinfect for bacteria, you need to let it run longer, of course. And if you wanted to kill viruses, you need to make sure there's the right concentration in the air. So you need to, depending on your room size, you need to let the ozone generator do its thing. But for smells, I would say within an hour of ozone treatment, you can get rid of dog smell. So that's it. Hey, if you want more tips on how to reduce your expenses, because you can get away, you don't have to have your carpet shampooed, or increase net income, all you need to do is subscribe.